Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are great. This is a spoken English course and you are on the lecture 17. I have brought some more questions for you, and these questions will obviously help you to start your conversation with your friends, colleagues, or with your partners. And I always recommend you to make some friends from other countries so you can put these questions to them and you would get certainly some interesting answers. It will obviously improve your speaking skills. Anyways, I hope you are great. May I know your name? Earlier we have used this structure to ask about the name, place, where do you live, may I know where are you from, but you can use some other questions that are relevant to daily life. How do you spend your day? How do you spend your free time? Do you often visit some places? Or how do you manage your study time? How do you prepare for exams? A lot of questions can be connected with this may I know. The next question is, what are the activities you do in your free time? So you can use this structure with this activities you do in your free time, but you can also use this, what are the activities? What are the activities? What are the places? What are the books? Which are the books you like to read the most? What are the movies you like to watch most of the time? So what are the, look at the phrase structure, what are the plus the theme, the main topic of your sentence. What are the activities? What are the celebrities you like the most? What are the activities you do in your free time? Is there anything you don't like about music? If you're talking about music, if you're talking about shopping, if you're talking about games, online shopping, so you may put a question, is there anything you don't like about this certain thing, shopping and anything? Is there anything you don't like about shopping? Is there anything you don't like about music? Someone may say, I don't like when we have the high bass in music. I don't like this. And anything can be anything. What sort of places you like to visit? Here, what are the activities? Here, what sort of places? So this phrase structure can be important, and you may have some idea how to make further structures using this formula. Kind. What kind of places, what types of places, what kind of places, what sort of places you like to visit? The person might answer, well, this place, that place, this place, that place, I like to visit. Do you like to travel by air or by train? That means you're asking about the choice. When you have to ask about the choice, you may use or. Like, do you like to eat at home or you go to the restaurants for any weekend dinner, or for anything you like to eat? Do you like to eat at restaurant, or you like to stay home, or you like to order online? So this structure or is used to compare A with B. Like, you've got two options, you may ask about what is the choice of the person you're talking to. The next structure is, how often do you visit this place? For example, the person is there, you met someone in Dubai hotel, and you met someone at the masjid, at any historical masjid, and you say, how often do you visit this place? How often do you visit this masjid? How often do you come here? So these are 6 questions. In the next lecture, I'll bring more questions, and I'm pretty sure this course would assist you in speaking English, because you're getting a good idea how to establish, how to formulate questions for speaking English. And these questions should be asked, not this lecture should not be just for the sake of information, rather you have to practically use it in your daily life. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.